Hello, Angie. I don't think anyone else will join. I think we can talk about what you are interested in. Regarding that issue, I've seen that you asked me on this application for a bit, and I've seen you should close that pull request or not. But I think you should leave it open as it is the next thing in the backlog, which will be picked up by the mentees in order to start to work on. Am I audible?
Can you say that again? I missed the first half of what you said. I had a connection issue and it cut out.
Okay. I said that I don't think anyone else will join, and I want to be on point with the changes that you submitted with that pull request. I've seen your message, but I've been on vacation for a bit and I didn't have time to respond to you. But you should leave that request open, the work that you do, because it's the next thing in the backlog which will be picked up by the mentees in order to be investigating. And I think Alston will be the one that will collaborate with you again.
Okay. So Alston and I are going to be doing this together?
Yeah, Alston will assist you with that pull request with the toString for structs.
Okay.
But now he's quite busy with the tutorial. But after that, he will work on this thing.
Okay, not a problem.
Okay. Do you have anything else to add or to mention?
Is there any work that I could or get started on? Anything that you'd like me to take a look at in the meantime while I wait for him? I know I'm not one of the
Sure. I
mentees.
will. We have some issues in the backlog, and I will send you on Discord one of them.
Okay, that's fine. I'll get started on that.
Okay, great then.
Oh,
Okay, so I guess we can close here as nobody else joined. Thanks
okay.
for joining.
Thank you for hosting. Have a great
Thank
rest of
you.
your day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.